Hello everyone, all those who have subscribed for my channel and all those who are just listening to it and will subscribe in a few minutes. Today we are going to make spinach, the Pakistan style. It's a simple way and especially the style that I like. There are many ways that palak or spinach is cooked in Pakistan, but this one way I'm going to share with you. It becomes ready in minutes and it tastes really nice, at least to me. I wait for your comments as well after you cook it. Spinach is a wonderful vegetable. It's full of iron. It's a natural source of iron and it's very good to increase your HB level. For this simple spinach that we are going to cook today, I have, as you can see in the image, I have cut and washed my spinach and it's here ready to be cooked, and it is almost 1 kg of spinach. There is red chili powder if you like it. If you don't, you can use green chilies also, or you can use both as well. It depends upon you. If you don't like chilies at all, don't use chilies at all. Then there is salt, as much as you like. It's up to your taste. Then there is garlic, which is very important. Then we have turmeric powder here, and we have black cumin seeds, and we have ground powder formed coriander, dry coriander. So I've put my spinach in the wok now to cook. It's on the stove on medium heat, and I've put in 1 teaspoon of salt, or 1.5 teaspoon of salt rather, 1 teaspoon of ground powdered coriander, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, and half a teaspoon of black cumin seeds. If you want, you can add green chilies instead of red chilies, or you can add both. You can minimize the quantity of red chilies and you can add in some green chilies as well. It depends upon you, whichever way you like it. You like green chilies or red chilies, you don't like both, you can minimize both of them, and you can minus both of them if you want. So it depends upon your taste. Salt also to taste. I don't say you just go by all the spices that I tell you. That's according to my taste. Your taste, of course, if you need more spices, you can add more spices. If you want to minimize them or minus them even, you can do so, because it depends upon your taste. The other thing that I will need in cooking spinach is oil, of course, 8 to 10 tablespoons of oil. With the garlic that you saw in the last image, I have ground that, and that's in the oil. I will need to brown that garlic and add it in at a later stage. Now we will cover the wok, put the lid on, and let it cook the spinach for about 20 minutes. Of course, we're going to remove the lid intermittently, and we are going to mix it up with a ladle and see what stage of cooking it is at. It will become a darker green in color, and in almost 20 minutes it will be done. There will still be some water left, of course, that we will dry up while cooking. Let's go to the next image and see what we have in store for us. So you can see that in around 20 minutes the spinach comes to this kind of a shape, and we've been mixing it up with a ladle. So all the ingredients are mixed up, all the spices are mixed up in it, and it comes to this kind of a shape. There is still some water left in it. While it was cooking, I browned the garlic in oil, as you can see in the pan. So both things happen side by side. Within those 20 minutes, the garlic is also browned. So in around 20 minutes, the spinach comes to this shape. It still has water in it, and I have added the oil and the garlic that I had browned in the pan to the wok. And you can see the oil here in the wok with the spinach, and it's so steaming hot, it's still on the stove. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cover it, put the lid on, and leave it for 5 to 7 minutes to cook. The water that's there, that will also be evaporated. The oil will be assimilated in the spinach, and the garlic is going to give it a certain taste. Now you must be wondering, what's this image? Well, it's the secret ingredient, and the secret ingredient in this spinach recipe is a bowl of cream. And when you add this and you mix it up and you cover the lid and let it be for 3 to 4 minutes, you will feel the difference in the taste of the spinach. After you cover it up, mix it and cover it up and leave it for 3 to 4 minutes, then take the lid off and taste it. Taste it and see if the spices are enough for you, if the salt is enough for you, if the taste is good enough for you. Otherwise you can add whatever you think is missing. And with this secret ingredient, I'm sure you will like it much more than without this secret ingredient. And when you have added salt or spices to your taste and you think it's well done and you like it, you like the taste, you can dish it out, as I have dished it out here to serve. And I've added a bit of cream on top just to make it more, nice, make it look nicer to the eyes, more pleasant to the eyes. I added a bit of cream to it. You can, if you want to. You don't want to, you can leave it that way without adding cream to it. And I just gave it a bit of contrast as well. When you mix up that cream, it tastes very good to me. It depends upon your taste, whether you like more cream or not. It depends upon you. So the spinach here is ready. It's full of iron, it's full of nutrition, it's very healthy, and it's very nice as a vegetable. This is simple spinach. We will do some more spinach recipes in future. Till then, please subscribe the channel, please like and share the video. Till then, you cook it and you give me your comments then, whether you like it or not, or will you like it in another way. Thank you.